What if I told you you could build an affiliate business without showing your face, without posting daily, or paying monthly fees? Welcome, my name is Oscar from Oscar Marketing, and today I'm going to introduce you to Profit.ai, as well as the automated faceless funnel system. It is 2025. If you are spending money on monthly subscriptions for individual marketing services, it is time to change. I've partnered with the infamous Joel to showcase his faceless system that runs in under an hour a day and actually works. It's called the automated faceless funnel. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instructions on how to, number one, set up a funnel that sells high-value digital products. Number two, automate your leads and commissions. And number three, do it all with a faceless brand. It's beginner friendly, you pay once, and you get started today. Whether you're brand new or already deep into affiliate marketing, this automated funnel will save you time, energy, and guesswork. No subscriptions, no fluff, just a system that works. We all know talk is cheap, so let's give you a peek inside Profit.ai and show you what this all-in-one marketing tool can do. Trust me, watch the whole thing. You won't regret it. All right, welcome to the Profit.ai platform. Today, I'm going to show you very quickly some of the key features, and I'm going to focus on things where typically you would pay for this service on an individual subscription basis. So a lot of people will pay monthly fees for individual marketing tools that I'm going to show you already exist on this one platform. And honestly, once I get through all this, you're going to go absolutely bonkers, because then you're going to realize how crazy a $218 offer really is. So I want to start on the marketing tab because that's one of the more important elements. I'm going to start with the social planner. So the social media marketing tool. This is something that a lot of people pay for to manage their various accounts in one location. And that's essentially what this tool does. So if you're looking to create a new post, you simply just click up there and then you choose all your accounts. So you just integrate all of your social media accounts into this tool, and then you can send them to individual ones, all of them all at once, whatever you want to do. I also built my own community within this tool, which I'll cover in a few moments. You can actually add to that as well if you want to make a post on those communities. So you could do that from this location as well, which is super cool. So in this case, I'll just choose my 4 accounts. You can customize for each channel if you want. So if you want to do it a little bit differently, let's say for YouTube, then you do for TikTok, you can do that here. But otherwise, I generally just stick to one blanket approach. It's up to you. So you just simply put your stuff in there, put in your video, your imagery, and then you can get a little bit more specific on what you want to do. So whether it be the feed, the reel, the story, it can all be adjusted on this one page. And then you simply post it or schedule a post, and then you're done. Next, we have emails. So that's pretty standard, creating your own emails, templates, campaigns. If you're paying for an email marketing service, just cancel that right away. Everything you need is going to be found here. Now, there's a bunch of different things as well here that you can take advantage of. One I do want to mention is the affiliate manager. So eventually, when you do build out your own miniature empire and you want to maybe create your own affiliate program, you can do this from this tool as well. So that's pretty wild. Next up, we have automation. So this is just simply setting up your different workflows. This is where all your funnels will exist. This is also where you will find your pre-built funnels that will allow you to launch your own affiliate business in under a day. So everything is going to be ready to go for you. You just simply have to answer a couple questions, fill out some information, and you can launch your entire business within a day. It's pretty wild. I just mentioned earlier the communities. So a lot of different individual services exist there to run a community, to build courses, all of that kind of stuff. And those can actually get pretty expensive. And once again, you can find everything that you need in one location on this tool. So I have built out my own community as well as I am building my own courses. So I'll give you a sneak peek here on the back end of what I've been building, so you can see all of the different courses that I am currently working on. So this is something that you can do as well. Once again, through this tool, one-time payment, $218. It's insane. It's wild. I haven't even got to the crazy part. And that's really the AI tools that are integrated into this Profit.ai marketing tool. So we'll start with the marketing toolbox, the marketer's toolbox. And here you can straight up build your brand in under 5 minutes. All you do is answer some questions and the AI tool will build your brand for you based on those answers. You've also got the automated funnel generator where you will be able to, once again, answer a couple questions and it will create a funnel for you that is bananas. Next, we have AI Ads Lab. So you can just run all your ads from one location. Doesn't matter whatever platform you use, you're going to find it here. You can just simply add in your prompt here, choose your platform there, and then just generate, and then you get a whole bunch of different options. All right, so you've got your prompt here. You can change that if you want. You've got image and video as well as carousel. So here you've got all your primary text. It auto generates it as well as the headline. So you can have a look at what it gives you. And then if you don't like it, you can, number one, you can change it yourself, or you can ask it to make it shorter, make it longer, or just simply change the tone and then regenerate the primary text. It is crazy what you can do with this AI Labs tool. And the last one that I really appreciate the most that has helped me quite a bit is the Ad Buddy 1.0. So if you're new to ads and you're not 100% sure how to read the metrics, how to understand what's going on. Let's say you haven't had a sale yet and you're like, oh my God, what's happening? That's what this Ad Buddy is going to do for you. It's going to dissect your entire campaign and it's going to provide recommendations. So you simply just download the CSV file from Facebook, you upload it, and then you tell the AI bot a little bit about your campaign, what it's all about, what's going on. And then you submit the campaign data and it will spit out recommendations not only at the campaign level but also at the ad set level. So it will go ad by ad telling you exactly what type of changes you need to make, whether that be improving the creatives, improving the ad copy, or straight up just maybe increasing your ad budget depending on how things are going and what the metrics are telling it. So this is a really neat tool, especially for someone who might be a little bit nervous about running ads themselves. This is going to really help you achieve something great really fast. So this is just a quick preview of what this tool has to offer. I'm sure if you stuck with me this far, you've realized that this is an insane deal. And I really don't know how much longer this deal will exist because it is pretty ridiculous when comparing to the rest of the type of offers that exist out there. So just get it. You're not going to regret it. Straight up. Okay, bye.